What's up, saying? Look at the Boxy twins. Y'all Siamese twins now. Man, you sound like when she told you she smelled like fish. You wasn't lying. You still stressed about that shit, bitch? Y'all are really childish. You want some trout, bitch? You sound a
Yo, Lady Lachi, Lady Tilapia, Twat, all her fishy shit. She's a little fishier right here. Know what I'm saying? This is, y'all, see how weak she is? Listen, son, like, oh, this is so hilarious. I swear to God, man. Just listen, man. Like, she is weak. Fucking Candy got this bitch shook. Candy run this bitch, Lady La. Lady La is a weak bird. You see how she laughing? She ain't saying nothing. Yo, this is hilarious. You see? Candy do what she want. Like, y'all gotta listen and see. Lady La is a weak ass pussy bitch.
Your man don't even want that. He got a whole woman and child about my town. That's about that shit, bitch.
Yo.
Twins now. Man, you sound like when she told you she smelled like fish. You wasn't lying. You still stressed
You
about
that fake ass, you see that fake ass lie. She hurt. Lady La embarrassed. Yo, she be getting him. Candy be embarrassing this bitch all the time. Like Candy back there laughing over that shit. Yo, this shit is hilarious. Yo.
Y'all Siamese twins now. Man, you sound like when she told you she smelled like fish. You wasn't lying. You still stressed about that shit, bitch? Y'all are really childish. You want some trout, bitch? You sound a little thirsty. Your man don't even want that. He got a whole woman and child about my town. I think you should stray away from that. He got a whole woman and child about my town while you all here fronting like you got a house in my digestive system. On Tuesday of last week, I made.
Yo, this shit is just hilarious. Candy is a mastermind, man. This bitch, Candy got this bitch Lady Fish looking all stupid, man. This bitch is a bird.